The phrase Southern identity used by PRU associates is all encompassing. The term refers not only to the culture within the company and how all were treated, but also refers to their Southern old-fashioned ways of operating. This Southern identity helped to strengthen employee engagement as it created a shared vision within the company and makes their positions more meaningful. Two things management must do to create engagement first include rewarding and acknowledging performance. Without acknowledging employees' performance and praising them for it, employees are twice as likely to quit. Secondly, it's important to provide employees with proper training and continue to follow up with feedback and checking for understanding. Employees are not able to succeed if they are not first set up for success. A new version of PRU's Southern identity needs to be created for the company to succeed with the inclusion of new cultures. While certain behaviors and expectations of employees can be defined and outlined, it is important for tenured associates to recognize with new technology being introduced, there will have to be a degree of change within the company. A good example of the basis for engagement with internal and external customers is actually Chick-fil-A. The company's employees provide excellent service and have a positive attitude using manners. While some cultures may have a hard time adjusting to these expectations, it is important to create a cohesive vision for the company and reinforce the same behaviors that drove growth. Without this Southern identity, it's doubtful PRU would be as successful as it is now. By creating a new version of PRU's Southern identity, this will prevent shocking the new employees completely and allow them a baseline to adjust to. First, in order to implement this plan, HR must create and develop training material for associates. This will then be rolled out to management to present to their team. Baselines and expectations will be set for associates on creating a new Southern identity. Then, once training has been rolled out, management will continually check in with associates at weekly team meetings to review expectations, calibrate, and check for understanding. These meetings will also allow associates to provide their own feedback as well. Management will recognize top performers quarterly by their metrics and also choose an associate with the best attitude outside of just metric-based performance. Finally, performance appraisals will be reviewed yearly to determine if associates' pay should be increased. This will further employee engagement and set a standard for PRU's new Southern identity.